Need to restore your WhatsApp backup from iCloud? The good news is, you don't have to delete or reinstall WhatsApp. With WatsGo, you can restore and export your iCloud WhatsApp backup directly from your computer. Start by selecting Restore WhatsApp from iCloud on the home screen. Next, sign into your iCloud account. Before moving on, make sure your WhatsApp data has already been backed up to iCloud. If it's your first time signing in, Apple will ask you to enter a verification code. Once you're logged in, WatsGo will automatically scan your iCloud account for available WhatsApp backups. After the scan is complete, you'll see details like the backup account, date, and file size. Just choose the backup you want and click Next. To access the backup, you'll need to verify your 64-digit encryption key. Be sure to enter the correct key to continue. That's it. Your WhatsApp backup will be available to view in WatsGo, and you can also export or download it to your computer if needed.